Okay, today we're going to get after a home appliance repair. Electric water heater. It went lukewarm and it's been here a long time, so I turned off the breaker and turned off the cold water supply up here, and I've removed the cover, the upper cover, took the plastic piece out, got the insulation out of the way so I can work on this thing, and so I could see the element down here, and this is what I came up with. So there we are. Put a little light on the subject here. This is the element. It was all corroded really bad, and this here is what came out of it. So here we have this piece. Come on, focus. God's sakes. It'll just focus in. The end of it, the element broke off, and you can see that one of the screws broke off of here, and because it was corroded I couldn't get it unloosened. So this piece has come off, and so that's a pretty good indication here that this thing was pretty screwed up. So 1/2 inch socket, that's what it takes to get that thing off of there. Something I didn't have, so first thing I did was I took the good old WD-40 and sprayed it down a while back. Let's get some more on there. And I went out and got myself a 1/2 inch socket. Alright. So I'm going to stick it on this little breaker bar here, and that's so that I can work it back and forth and hopefully break it loose. If I can't break it loose, I think I'm pretty screwed. So if I were to take and put it on here, it's so skinny. The nut is so skinny, it's ridiculous. There's not enough meat to grab onto, which I think is really, it's either really stupid or really smart on the part of the people that designed this shit. Make it so that it goes bad and we can't fix it. There should be more of a ledge on this nut so that it won't round off the edges when you're trying to take a corroded piece out of a unit like this. But this is the way manufacturing is. I'm sure it's on purpose too. I've got the good socket. See, that one has the special socket which grabs it on the flats instead of the corners. It's about as good as you can get. But even so, something this big, there's a beveled edge in there, and you got this narrow ledge here, and it's not working. That thing's not going to come out of there. I mean, look at it. Look how corroded that thing is. Those are the two contacts right there that the two wires go up against. There's one of the wires right there. Hooks in there and goes up against those things, which are completely corroded. So, you know, there we have that. And this piece, which it's got the one screw came loose on it, and it just came right off of there. The cold water spigot. Alrighty, so there you have it. You know, built-in obsolescence. I see this when I work on cars. I complain about this from time to time. Nothing new. Our esteemed engineers and manufacturers build this chintzy shit so that it can't be serviced and has to be replaced, so they make more money. And that's the name of the game. Anything that takes a socket this huge should have more than a lousy, not even 1/8 of an inch of a flange there for it to grab a hold of. That's ridiculous. So I don't know, it's going to take a torch or something, You know, it's going to pay the plumber come down here and use whatever tricks he knows to fix this, and of course he's going to want to replace this whole thing. We know how it works. We all know how this works. So, any comments? Any tips? Otherwise, I guess I've reached the end of this little task.